Namaste. I'm Bhavna Verma from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, going to deliver my lecture on software engineering, and the name of my session is Problem and Causes. So, the concept of the software engineering was born due to the problems in software project. Means सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग हम इसलिए पढ़ते हैं ताकि हम एक फिक्स टाइम में सारी रिक्वायरमेंट का एनालिसिस करके एक अच्छा प्रोडक्ट अच्छी क्वालिटी का सॉफ्टवेयर कस्टमर को बनाकर दे सकें. So, for effective problem prevention, we have to know why the problem has occurred. So, problem and challenges of software engineering has been introduced. So, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग की जब हम बात करें तो क्या ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स है, वो प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों अकर हो रही है, हम कुछ उन्हीं के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. So, so, so problem prevention indicates the scope management, requirement management, and estimation and communication, and are usual area of challenges in software engineering. So we are going to introduce a term which is called root cause analysis, which is a structured investigation of a problem to detect the causes that needs to be prevented. ये ऐसे कॉजेस हमें पता करती है कि सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग में हमें कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. सो उन कॉजेस को पता लगा के उनको प्रिवेंट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, जिसको हमने क्या बोला, रूट कॉज एनालिसिस. So it takes the problem as an input and provide a set of problem causes as output. It states what the problem causes and where they occur. तो ये इस चीज पे डिस्कस करती है कि हमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है और वो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से अकर हो रही है. सो प्रॉब्लम क्या है और उसकी कॉजेस क्या है. So RAC indicates that RAC means root cause analysis. So root cause analysis indicates that defects caused are related to the methods, pupil inputs and tools and many more. So a method called ARAC was developed for root cause analysis. ARAC method consists of 4 steps, that is target problem detection, root cause detection, correlative action innovation and documentation of result. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी प्रॉब्लम के अकर होने का कॉज क्या है. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि बहुत सारे हमारे पास ऐसे कॉजेज हैं, हो सकते हैं जिनकी वजह से हमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. तो प्रॉब्लम्स कुछ ही हो सकती है लेकिन उसके कॉजेज क्या हो सकते हैं, मल्टीपल हो सकते हैं. ठीक वैसे ही जैसे किसी इंसान की अगर तबीयत खराब हो जाती है तो तबीयत खराब होने के पीछे रीजंस बहुत सारे होते हैं. तो बहुत सारे रीजंस, कुछ बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के रीजंस मिलके किसी प्रॉब्लम को जनरेट करते हैं. सो हम बस अभी यही डिस्कस करेंगे कि कौन कौन से ऐसे प्रोसेस एरिया है जहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती है और उन प्रोसेस एरियाज का क्या डिस्क्रिप्शन है, मतलब वो किस कॉजेस पे फोकस करती है. तो so we can say the process area is requirement engineering, and there are many more process areas. So requirement engineering, in it causes focus on requirement engineering and input from customers. Second one is management. So management, its causes focus on comprehend support and the way project stakeholders are managed and allocated to tasks. Third one is development work. So its causes focus on implementation of features and its output. Fourth one is software testing. So it focus on software testing and its outputs. Fifth one is change management. Its cause focus on implementation of change request. Sixth one is product release deployment, which is shortly called PD. So it's focus on installing and releasing the product. Seventh one is unknown. Its causes cannot be found on any specific area. So we discuss the different process area and what are the causes that focus on. So now we are going to discuss about what are the classes or types of problems and its description. So the first one is people or P, and its description is this includes the people related causes. Second one is instruction and experiences. This type includes the causes of missing documentation and lack of experience. The needed documentation is missing or inaccurate, and the lack of experience complicates the work. Third one, okay, and the second one is value and responsibilities. Okay. So this type includes causes for bad attitude and lack of taking individual responsibility. The people do not care about the important things and they look out for the number one. Third one is cooperation. So this type includes the cause of inactive, inaccurate, and missing communication between stakeholders. The people do not communicate actively or share knowledge on their own will. Fourth one is policies. This type includes the causes of not following the company policies. Okay. So next class type is task, that is T, and this class type includes a task related cause. It includes a task related causes. So first one is task priority. Task priority. This type includes the causes of task priority. The priority is missing, the wrong or too low. Second one is task output. This type includes the causes of low quality task output. In our terminology, the risk is a general term which corresponds to the task of all stakeholders. Example, the manager may do not inadequate resource allocation, whereas the developers may do bad code, etc. Third one is task difficulty. This type includes a cause of challenging risk. The task required too much effort, time, or it is too difficult. Third class type is methods, and it is dedicated. Its symbol is M. So this class includes the methodological causes. First one is work practices. That is, this type includes the cause of lack of current working methods, and the method is missing or inadequate. Second one is process. This type includes the cause that are focus on current operation model. The model is unclear, too heavy, or inadequate. Now, third one is monitoring. This type includes the causes of lack of monitoring. This management does not know the project status caused by the lacking of monitoring the processes. Another class type is environment, and this class includes the environment related causes. First one is existing product. This type includes cause of existing product which is too complex, and the old low quality code creates challenges. Second one is resource and schedule. This type includes causes of wrong resources and schedules. Third one is tools. This type includes causes of missing or insufficient tools. Fourth one is customers. This type uh, includes causes of customer requests and user expectations and needs. So thank you. That's all for today's class.